This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Osceola Heritage Park in Kissimmee for a sneak peek of the 2025 Orlando RV Show. The 2025 Orlando RV Show is almost ready to open its doors at Osceola Heritage Park in Kissimmee, Florida. As the final touches are being made, let's take a sneak peek at what you can expect when the show opens on March 13th. This is the only multi-dealer RV show in Central Florida, hosted by the Florida RV Trade Association, otherwise known as the FRVTA. The FRVTA hosts the only multi-dealer RV shows in the entire state of Florida, making this event a must-visit for anyone looking to purchase an RV. A multi-dealer RV show brings together several of the top local dealers, allowing shoppers to compare multiple manufacturers and product lines in one convenient location. This means attendees can tour a variety of luxurious Class A's, easy to drive and comfortable Class C's, sleek and adventurous Class B camper vans, luxury fifth wheels, toy haulers of all types, and travel trailers big and small. Shopping at a multi-dealer RV show offers significant advantages. Side-by-side comparison makes it easy to see which floor plans, features, and price points best fit your needs. Dealers compete for your business, which can lead to great pricing and exclusive show specials. Plus, with industry experts on hand, attendees can ask questions, learn about the latest RV technology, and even explore financing options, all before making a final decision. As the finishing touches are being put on the displays and the RVs polished, the variety of RVs that will be available for touring is impressive. Whether you're a first-time buyer or an experienced RVer looking to upgrade, this is the best way to find the perfect RV. Step inside brand new models featuring the latest technology, upgraded interiors, and innovative storage solutions. Experienced dealers are ready to guide you through the selection process, explain the benefits of different models, and help you make an informed choice. One of the highlights of the show is the daily door prize giveaway, where attendees have a chance to win a $100 gift card. Just stop by the iPad tables as you enter to register for your chance to win. And with free parking and multiple RV lifestyle vendors, it's easy to make a day of exploring, shopping, and learning more about the RV lifestyle. As the final preparations wrap up, excitement is building for opening day. If you're ready to explore the best selection of RVs in Central Florida, don't miss this opportunity to find your dream RV and hit the road in style. The 2025 Orlando RV Show is being held March 13th through 16th at Osceola Heritage Park in Kissimmee. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click on the show link on the homepage. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, FRVTA, for sneak peek and opening day videos of all of our regional multi-dealer RV shows, the annual Super Show, and highlights of our amazing Florida attractions, state parks, and RV resorts. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.